Hey everybody, Andrew here yet again, and in this video we are going to be looking at question number 55 in the math test from test 2 in your red book. So pause this video, flip over to number 55, read the question, and then hit play. Okay friends, now in this problem, like a couple others that you've seen on this test, this problem requires you to know something about statistics. Now, if you have not taken a stats class before, this is one of those questions that you could stare at for 20 minutes and not be able to answer. So unless you have taken a stats class or you've seen this kind of mathematical notation before, this is not going to be a low-hanging fruit question. In fact, this is one that you should skip and come back to if you have time or end up guessing on, and that's okay. But if you have taken a stats class before or you just want to learn what this is all about, I'm going to do a quick refresher as to what we're talking about here. The problem says that we are taking 15 objects and choosing them. I'm going to write out this word here. 15 objects, and we are choosing them 5 at a time. And it uses this fancy, scary math word, permutations. It says, how many different permutations are there if we take 15 objects and choose 5 at a time? How many different permutations are there? So again, like, unless you've taken a statistics course, you've probably not heard this word permutations before. And certainly, I bet you haven't seen this formula before. Exclamation points. When you get to statistics, you start putting exclamation points in math, not just your English papers. Now this is the formula for permutations of n objects chosen r at a time. And if you've seen this formula before, you can answer this question. If you've not seen this formula before, you can't. So just a quick reminder, this is n objects chosen r at a time. So if I have n objects, and I reach into my thing of n objects, or I pick, I pick r of those n objects, there are n factorial over the quantity n minus r factorial different ways that those objects can be arranged. Fancy, boring math stuff. Let me just show you how it applies to this problem. If you know the formula, look, we're taking n objects r at a time. In our problem, we're taking 15 objects 5 at a time. So our 15 goes in for our n, and our 5, bring it around town, goes in for our r here. So the actual solution, the actual answer to our question here is 15, that exclamation point is called a factorial, over 15 minus 5 factorial. And that is our answer. And if you look at your answer choices, this matches answer choice D.